Hey there, friend. My name's Deborah. I'm so glad you clicked that link to get my Healthy Fall recipe pack. Before you do anything else, I'm going to tell you why these recipes are different than any other recipe that you can go ahead and download for free off the internet. The reason is because I took the time to nutritionally design the entire recipe pack to include what I call meta influencers or metabolic superfoods. These are special foods that just naturally help to keep your metabolism fired up and burning. They're going to help to move food through the digestive process, help to make sure that you continue to have healthy digestion, especially as we head into these colder months when we tend to eat heavier foods, we tend to go to holiday gatherings, we eat more food, our metabolism tends to slow down. So if you eat foods and recipes and meals that include these meta influencers, they're going to help you find that balance that we so often lose track of in the fall. So not only did I include breakfast, lunch, time-saving tips, salads, side dishes, desserts, and mains, but I also gave you a weekly meal planner so you can go ahead and organize all these recipes very simply, create a shopping list for any of the ingredients that you need. The other thing I gave you guys is a metabolic influencers cheat sheet. So here is all the information that you may not already know about why these metabolic superfoods are going to help you stay in track. So go ahead, click the link below, get this recipe pack, start eating these foods right away, and email me to tell me which ones are your favorite. I can't wait for you to try some of these, and I look forward to hearing from you.